Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. You like it? It's broccoli. It's broccoli and sweet potato. Nakain ko na siya ng una kasi wala pa yung papa niya. And he's hungry. Usually talaga sabay kami kumakain tatlo. But today, wala pa yung father niya kaya pinauna ko na siya. Nak, no. Pinapawa ko siya ng spoon kasi gusto niyang magsubo-subo. Lipat-lipat lang taan, no? No? Lipat-lipat na lang si William, no? Para maka-eat, no? Mag-eat na si William, no? You like it? Are you done? What happened? Oh, where is your milk? You just throw your milk? Oh my God, baby. Stop like that. Stop doing that. Kulit na talaga. I'll drink this. I should. Yeah, I got you something. Look. See? You like this? Yummy? Yummy? You gonna throw it? This one too. Good job. More. Little more. Yeah. Do you like it? Huh? Strawberry? Is it a strawberry? Yummy. Finish it. Yay! Finish! Finish! Well done, William. Drink your milk. Kakatapos mo lang magkain, then mag-milk. Oh my God. Tapos magpupo. Right? Ay, good boy. You are a good boy. Iba-iba yung socks niya kasi. Ito, hindi niya kayang hablutin. Ito, nakahablot niya. Kaya iba-iba.